Go. Hello everyone and welcome to our family.
Family pala, sorry.
Hi! So we're here at Pesque again, but this time with the entire family. Masaya, di ba?
Saya, oo.
First time. First time namin.
Ito namin yung background yan. Nasa likod namin yung Pesque ngayon. Ayan, tapos yung mga tumutugtog ba. So first time namin nadala yung mga family dito.
Yeah.
Hi, Renz. Ayan, salamat sa pag-asikaso ah.
Yes po. This is Renz.
Renz.
Say hi, Renz. It's their first time here at the farm. Sila Baba, Popo, Lola M, Nana, Lolo Eric, Lola Amang, Momsi. So we're so happy.
Flashback.
Lola.
Ayan. Ayan. Okay ba to, Eric? Okay. Nagpakulema. Hi. Ayan. Magkakasama na kami. Kompleto na kami.
Yun nga pala yan. Hindi na nasa puno yung tita ko. Oo, ayun na, meron.
Ang taas. Wow. Pwede pala sila umakyat dyan sa puno na. Ang taas niyan. So, ang dilim-dilim, di na makita eh. Ayan. Ayan. Ganyan kataas yung puno na inakyat niya. Hello. Wow. Wow. Wow.
I love you.
Wow.
I'm looking out from my window.
Welcome back again.
Yan ang aming favorite dito, si Grayson.
Enjoy the place again.
Thank you.
The family is going to Pesque. Have dinner. Oh, let's go. Another pizza. Oh, Pablo, the pika. Everybody's here. Hello, birthday boy. Hi. So we're here at Pesque. This time with the entire family. It's eating time.
Join us.
What? Where are you?
What's
What's our favorite? Hi, Peng. That's a seafood platter. This is cheese
Bakit
pizza.
ito masarap?
Cheese pizza. Lamb chowder. This is the kilawin ceviche platter. This is tuna tail. And this is the fish head curry. Okay, birthday boy.
Nagpa-meeting pa eh.
Sabi siguro na, pinakamahirap na request namin.
Sige, sige. Try lang, try muna.
Let's listen.
Pops, look, do you know how to play it? Ayos ah. Galing ah. Ang lupit ah. Go Pops. Yeah, very good. Thank you.
Bonus room tour! This is a cozy bi-level Sulu Terrace housed in traditional barn-style huts. It even has its own charming tambayan or papag below the hut. Now here is a quick look of the Sulu Terrace at night. This is where Baba and Popo will be checking in for the next few days. This is a small thatched pavilion and has 2 single beds with their own ensuite toilet and bath. The ceiling! It's hardwood!
And there's your camera.
It's super charming here. Huwag lang kayo matakot sa mga tuko at sa mga palaka.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
Do you hear that? The stars. Wow.
Look at the stars. Here.
Starry, starry night.
Mom, look at the stars. What's Mom? Oh. I look at Mom.
Pati ako amazed na amazed.
Cannot. Oh, there, twinkling.
Mom, I think I'm scared of the dark.
Don't be scared.
There must be something up in the sky.
Up in the sky? Yeah, plenty. It has been such a great night with family. We're all complete. What can you say? This is
Great night.
it's a great night. What would you like to say to them?
Enjoy our night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell them.
Join me in my very best birthday soon.
Yes. Good night,
Good
everyone.
night, everyone.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Home.
We're home.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel
For more Sevilla trips.
Yeah.